Today, let's explore 5 fascinating facts about microscopes. 1. Invention and development. The microscope was invented in the late 16th century. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch scientist, is often credited with making the first practical microscopes and was the first to observe single-celled organisms and bacteria. 2. Microscopic world. Microscopes have revealed a hidden world of incredible complexity. They allow us to see objects and organisms at the cellular and even molecular level, unveiling details not visible to the naked eye. 3. Electron microscopes. There are different types of microscopes, including optical and electron microscopes. Electron microscopes use beams of electrons instead of light to achieve much higher magnification and resolution, enabling scientists to see atomic structures. 4. Medical advancements. Microscopes have been instrumental in the field of medicine. They've allowed for the discovery of pathogens, advancements in pathology, and the development of life-saving medical treatments and vaccines. 5. Nanotechnology. Microscopes play a crucial role in nanotechnology, where researchers manipulate and study materials at the nanoscale. Scanning tunneling microscopes (STMs) and atomic force microscopes (AFMs) are used to visualize and manipulate individual atoms and molecules. These facts highlight the profound impact of microscopes on our understanding of the natural world and their contributions to various scientific and technological advancements.